Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone touch issues on iOS 16.4.1. So guys, let's get start this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, clean the screen. Make sure there are no fingerprints, dust or debris on the screen. Use a microfiber cloth or a soft lint-free cloth to gently wipe the screen to clean the screen. And then after this, the next solution is restart your iPhone. Press and hold the power button and the volume up at the same time. So drag the slider to the right to power off your iPhone. So after restarting your iPhone, open the lock screen, and then after this the next solution is update your iPhone. Check if there is a newer version of iOS is available. So for this, go to settings, tap on general, tap on software update. So wait for checking for update. So guys, if the new update is available on your iPhone, so simply download and install the new update. So after this, the next solution is calibrate the touch screen. So for this, go to settings, tap on accessibility, tap on touch. So, tap on touch combinations, tap to enable touch combinations, and then after this the next solution is reset all settings. If the problem persists, you can try resetting all settings on your iPhone. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, tap on reset all settings here. So enter your iPhone passcode. So this will reset all settings and your Apple Pay cards, keys and passes will be removed. No data or media will be deleted from your iPhone. So simply tap on reset all settings. Sure. So guys, here are the some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.